In this video, I'm going to explain to you 3 most important tools and techniques to speed up your sales process and get multiple clients on board. Whether you are a sales professional or a business owner, these techniques will help you to become an expert in client acquisition. So make sure to watch this video until the end. Tip number 3, focus on the pain points of your client. When clients are making a choice of purchase, they are actually finding a solution to their problem. This problem or challenges are their pain points. Unlike specific customer complaints about specific product or service, a pain point is more persistent issue that can be solved by your particular product or services. So how to determine your customers' pain points? The best way to find pain points is by asking questions. Simply asking your customers what their pain points are can be enough to get the information you need to solve their problems. Here are some of the important questions you could ask your potential prospects. The very first question is, what keeps your business from growing? The second is, what are the most important challenges you're facing in your business? Once they start speaking up, make sure you listen to them carefully. It helps you to offer your services or products as a solution to their problems. My tip number 2 is, stop doing hard work and start with the smart work. Adopting the right technology frees up your teams from monotonous tasks and gives them more time to connect with your customers. Manual operations like hunting for client information or entering data in Excel sheets can lead to a waste of your time and delay in getting clients on board. You can set up a system where leads get automatically captured and distributed to your entire team. Follow-ups can be scheduled with one click. This is only possible by using advanced and affordable sales CRM software. Just to give one example would be Tele CRM. I personally have used many CRMs for sales, but unlike Zoho and HubSpot, it's affordable and easy to set up and use. You can simply get started in 2 minutes. The whole idea behind Tele CRM is to automate all the robotic work so that you can focus on areas that really matters, like improving your sales pitch and overall sales skills. In case if you have a telecalling team, you can even track their performance and see how many calls they are making, how many sales they are closing, and even listen to their phone recordings. If you're considering to go for a higher budget and very complex CRMs, then you can consider going for Salesforce or Microsoft Dynamics or Bitrix24. Hey, if you're getting some value from this video, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Now, the most important tip number 1 is to make contextual conversations by reading lead history. You need to make sure to develop a deep understanding of customers' business. Beginning with a complete view of their history with your company can help you to build a strong relationship, trust, and mutual success. A CRM system can help an organization or a sales professional to give 360-degree view of your prospect before talking to them. This will help you to have more contextual conversation and higher chances to get this client on board. To summarize all these points, a powerful CRM system will help you to avoid manual work, help automating sales, maintain customer history through notes, and get clients faster. In case if you have any questions regarding which CRMs to consider or how to use them, then WhatsApp me on +91 9511 841 495 or refer to the links in the description. To get more information on sales and client acquisition, make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell notification. In this video, I will take your leave and I will see you in the next one.